There are four buttons. The first button, it's up button. Also can change display mode, like front only, or inside only, or front and inside. The second button is a menu button or back button, in the recording mode. If you press the menu button, it will be immediately recording, immediately locked recording. The third button is down button. It also can turn on or turn off the microphone. The fourth button is a power button. It also OK button or confirm button. It also can start or stop recording button. Now let's use the dashcam power button. Down. This is the microphone. Start. The red point means the recording. When you press the menu button, this key, it means emergency locked recording. Stop recording. Now let's set the menu. Set the dashcam, enter the menu. Okay. OK, press the menu button again. Change the system. Screensaver. OK, press. OK, press. Back.